Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down the most influential positions. Take a short or be short immediately to gather info and apply pressure. Use an agent who can contest teleports or block sightlines. This matters because Bind's two-site layout rewards vertical utility. Once done, hold angles off-peak and make sure to keep 200 to 400 credits for a counter smoke or flash. Communicate enemy teleport usage early. Call it instantly so teammates can rotate or punish the rotated player. Once initial info is obtained, you must convert control into a decisive advantage. Pressure hookah or showers to force defenders into uncomfortable positions. Execute coordinated utility, smoke hookah, then Molotov common hideouts, because it denies safe angles and makes entries predictable. Meanwhile, one player should be ready to teleport for a flank or to fake, creating a numbers advantage. Continue calling enemy utility and health. This synchronization keeps your team moving together and prevents isolated fights that cost rounds. When you decide to commit, hit the site with timed utility and an entry player ready to trade immediately. Trade kills win rounds, so be aggressive but coordinated. Plant in a position that denies easy long-angle diffuses, then smoke off or molly the most likely diffuse routes. This forces the enemy into predictable retakes. If the push stalls, don't panic. Call a controlled fallback, preserve utility for a planned retake, and use one troubleshooting tip. Check Bind teleport cooldowns and enemy teleport patterns to avoid being flanked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.